students, I welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, today we continue with the three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional figure. What is solid? You just recall three-dimensional figure. The solid is the objects having fixed shape, volume and occupied space is called solids. Solid is a three-dimensional figure. Namely, normally solids are cuboid. They may be cuboid, may be cube, may be cylinder. All these are three-dimensional figure. They all are called solids. Cones, sphere, cones and sphere is also are called three-dimensional solids. Sphere and then sphere. Then they may be pyramid, they may be prisms, they may be tetrahedron, may be prism, may be pyramid. All these are three-dimensional figures. They are called solids which a fixed shape, size, occupying space is called solids. Tetrahedrons. All these are three-dimensional figures. Suppose they are cuboid is a three-dimensional figure. This is cuboid. This is a cuboid which is surrounded by six rectangular faces. Cuboid is the solid which is surrounded by six rectangular figures, six rectangular faces. This is cuboid. Then cube is a solid which is surrounded by six square faces, which is surrounded by six square faces. This is cube. Okay. Then cylinder is like this. This is cylinder. Okay. Then cylinder, cube, cuboid, cone. Cone is also like this. This is also a three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional figures having a flat faces and namely cube, cuboid, prism, pyramid and tetrahedrons. Where the cylinder have two flat faces and one spherical faces. Then in case of sphere, there is no flat faces. In case of cone, one flat faces and another circular faces. Okay. Then another circular faces. Then just note down the features of a cuboid. Just note down the features of cuboid. In this chapter, we will discuss about the features of the three-dimensional figures. The features of the three-dimensional figures. First, cuboid. Cuboid is the solid which is surrounded by six rectangular faces. Suppose this is a cuboid. Then this is surrounded by six rectangular faces. Then the cuboid, please note down students the features of cuboid. The features of cuboid. This is features of cuboid. Features of cuboid. A cuboid has six faces. Then second, how many vertices there are? 8 vertices. And then how many edges are there? There are 12 edges are there. 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges. Vertices are the points which is the corner point is called the vertices. Okay. Then here the how many edges? 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Then in case of cube the same thing is applied. Cube is also a solid which is surrounded by 6 square faces. Cuboid is surrounded by 6 rectangular faces, while the cube is surrounded by 6 square faces. So in case of cube also, a cube has 6 faces, 6 square faces and 8 vertices and 12 edges all these are edges. How many edges are there? 12 edges. Okay. Then here you may name the faces like A, B. Suppose this is A. First name the vertices A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then you may name the faces of the solid like this. This is A, B, C, D, one face, another face B, C, D, B, C, E, H, another face E, F, G, H, another face G, F, D, A, another face A, B, H, G. And the vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are 8 vertices. Edges are AB, BC, SC, AD, EC, EF, GF, AG, GH, AH. All these are 12 edges and 8 vertices and 6 faces. In case of cube also same. Cube and cuboid, only difference is cube is surrounded by 6 square faces and the cuboid is surrounded by 6 rectangular faces. Okay. Then next, features of the prism. The next, features of the prism. Features of the prism. Here this is a prism. Suppose then prism is also a 3-dimensional solid which has A, B, C, D, E, F. Then there are a triangular prism is made up of 2 parallel end faces, one of which is a triangle, and the 3 lateral faces, each one of these is rectangle. 3 lateral faces and 2 triangular base. The triangular base are A, B, C. The triangular base are first is A, B, C. Another triangular base is D, E, F. These are triangular bases, and there are 3 rectangular lateral faces. The lateral in a triangular prism, this is a prism, this is a triangular prism, this is a triangular prism. Triangular prism. In case of triangular prism, the base are triangle A, B, C and D, E, F are 2 base, and there are 3 lateral faces. The 3 lateral faces are rectangles. Suppose the 3 lateral faces are A, B, D, F. First lateral face, another lateral face A, C, E, F, another lateral face A, C, E, F, then another lateral face B, C, D, F. B, C, D, F. The triangular prism have 6 faces, 2 triangular base and 3 5 faces, 2 triangular base and 3 lateral rectangular face. There are A, B, D, F, A, C, E, F and B, C, D, F are 3 lateral rectangular faces. Okay. Then here the faces of triangular, then the vertices of a triangular prisms. There are faces. How many faces? 5 faces. Faces, 5 faces. And then vertices are, then first face, then vertices. Vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vertices are 6 vertices. What are those? 6 vertices. A, B, C, D, E, F are 6 vertices. Then the edges are how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many edges? 9 edges. How many edges are there? 9 edges. 9 edges. And the edges are A, B, B, C, A, C, D, E, E, F, D, E, D, F, E, F and D, E and A, E, C, F and B, D. B, D. There are 9 edges. There are 9 edges and 6 vertices and 5 faces are there in a triangular prism. Okay. A cuboid is also called a rectangular prisms. Prism are those which have plane faces, this is called the prisms. That in case of triangular prism, thus the two base faces are triangle, and in case of cuboid is also called rectangular prisms because its faces are rectangle. Okay. Then another question. Then pyramid. Then the features of a pyramid. Features of a pyramid. Pyramid is also a three-dimensional solid whose features are square pyramid is the pyramid. This base is square and this is a vertices and all these points are joined to the vertices. All these points are joined to the vertices. Okay. Here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a square face, base and all these vertices of the base is joined to a single point. This is called square base pyramid. This is called a square base pyramid. Suppose this is the point and all these vertices are joined. Just imagine a three-dimensional figure. All these vertices are joined to the single vertex. Okay. This is called square base pyramid. Suppose this is A, B, C, D and this is E. The square base pyramid then is feature. A square base pyramid has 5 vertices. A square base pyramid has 5 faces. 5 faces. One square face and other 4 are triangular faces. Other 4 are triangular faces. One square face, other 4 are triangular faces. Okay. Then 5 faces here. Then how many vertices? 5 vertices. 5 vertices. Here the vertices are A, B, C, D and E. 5 vertices and the faces are one square face is ABCD. One square face is ABCD. Then the triangular faces are ABE. Four triangular faces. ABE, BCE, BCE, CDE, CDE, and another ADE, and another ADE. All these are triangular faces. Okay. Then the five vertices are A, B, C, D, E. Then the edges. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many edges are there? 8 edges are there. 8 edges are there. And the edges are AB, BC, CD, AD, and AE, BE, CE, and DE. All these are 8 edges are there. Okay. Then next rectangular pyramid. This is a square pyramid, and the same features are in case of rectangular pyramid. In case of rectangular pyramid, only here the base is a square, and in this case the base is otherwise all these properties are same. In this case, this is a rectangular base. A, B, C, D is a rectangular base, and this is a rectangular pyramid. All these vertices are joined to the point E is called a rectangular base pyramid. Is called a rectangular base pyramid. The same property as that of square pyramid. Only in this case the base is square, or in this case the base is rectangle. And here it has five. It has how many faces? It has 5 faces. 5 faces. One is rectangular face. One is rectangular face. Rectangular face. And other 4 are triangular face. Triangular face. Triangular faces. The rectangular face is A, B, C, D. Is the rectangular face. The triangular faces are A, B, E, A, D, E, A, D, E, another B, C, E, and another D, C, E, D, C, E. All these 4 are triangular faces. How many faces are in case of rectangular pyramids? There are 5 faces and 5 vertices. How many vertices? 5 vertices are there. Then these vertices are A, B, C, D, and E are 5 vertices. And how many edges are there? There are 8 edges in this. 8 edges. The edges are A, B, B, C. I have already told you the same feature of a square pyramid and a rectangular pyramid. Only the difference is base is square in case of square pyramid. In case of rectangular pyramid, the base is a rectangle. A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D, A, E, B, E, C, E, and D, E. And D, E are 8 edges of the pyramid. Okay. Then here another triangular pyramid. Then another is triangular pyramid. Then another is triangular pyramid. In this case of triangular pyramid, the base is a triangle. In case of triangular pyramid, the base is a triangle, and here is the point. Then all these vertices are joined to this. This is called a triangular pyramid. A, B, C, and this is D. This is called a triangular pyramid. Then how many faces are there? There are four faces. All these faces are four are triangular faces. All four are triangular faces. Triangular faces. All four are triangular faces. The triangles are A, B, C, B, C, D, A, B, D, A, B, D, and another is A, C, D. A, C, D. All four faces are triangular faces. Then here the how many edges are there? How many vertices are there? Four vertices. Four vertices. The vertices are A, B, C, and D. There are four vertices. Then how many edges are there? There are six edges. Six edges are there. The edges are six edges. A, B, B, C, A, C, A, D, B, D, and C, D are six edges of the triangular pyramids. Okay, then thank you students. Today this much. In my next sessions we will continue with this happy learning.